In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the voice search problem on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open up a browser window, type in YouTube, and press enter. From the search results, I click on the main YouTube link to head straight to the homepage. Once YouTube loads, I navigate over to the top right corner and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the browser menu. I scroll down and select Settings to open the browser configuration page. In the left-hand menu, I click on Privacy and Security. Then, I scroll down to find Site Settings and click on it. Inside Site Settings, I look under the Permissions section and select Microphone. Here, under Default Behavior, I make sure the option, Sites can ask to use your microphone, is selected. At the top, I click on the microphone drop-down menu to verify that the correct input device is selected for the browser to use. Next, I check the system settings on my computer. I right-click on the speaker icon located at the bottom right corner of the taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. When the Volume Mixer page opens, I check the app volume settings. I locate Google Chrome and ensure the volume slider is turned up, making sure Chrome isn't muted or set too low. After confirming the volume mixer settings, I switch back to the Browser Settings tab. In the left panel, I click on Privacy and Security once more. This time, I select Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, I select All Time as the time range, verify the selected options, and click on the Delete Data button at the bottom right. Once the cache and browsing data are cleared, the system confirms it, and the voice search issue on YouTube is fully resolved. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.